Tailgating is one of the biggest causes of accidents. The good news? Keeping a safe following distance gives you time to react if the car in front brakes suddenly. In this week's Drive Smart video, we'll explain the 3-second rule, why it works and how to apply it in real-world driving. Tip 1. The 3-second rule explained. Pick a fixed point ahead, like a signpost or a tree. When the car in front passes it, count 1001, 1002, 1003. If you reach the marker before 3 seconds, you're too close. More tips coming up. First, do you already use the 3-second rule? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Drive Smart tips. Tip 2. Increase distances in poor conditions. 3 seconds is for dry, clear roads. In rain, fog or icy conditions, double it to 6 seconds or even more. Stopping distances increase dramatically when the road is slippery. Tip 3. Adjust for speed and vehicle size. The faster you drive, the greater the distance you need. At motorway speeds, 30 seconds is hundreds of feet. If you're following a large vehicle, leave extra room. You'll need more space to react because your view ahead is restricted. Tip 4. Watch out for tailgaters. If someone's following too closely behind you, don't brake check them. Instead, increase your own following distance. That way, if the car in front slows suddenly, you have more time and space to brake gradually, reducing the risk of being rear-ended. Tip 5. Stay alert and focused. Distraction can eat up those vital seconds. Keep your eyes on the road, scan ahead, and always be prepared for sudden changes. 3 seconds only works if you're paying attention. Remember, safe following distances save lives. Use the 3-second rule as your minimum. Increase it in poor conditions, and always give yourself the space to react. When you drive smart, you drive safe.